when you're dealing with older houses, people love character and they love the old world charm. And so the question is, how do you remodel that and keep the old world charm, but still have, the updated things that people like? And this is a great house. This house is in the Avenues in Salt Lake City. This house is like 130 years old. And if you look at this house, this was actually two houses at one time. It was like two 1,000 square foot houses back in the 1870s, 1880s. And so what we did, because it had kind of these open doorways. These were just doorways before. What we did is that we cased in all these doorways and we put in these glass transoms to each doorway, which has this perfect old world charm. So that was new. And like facing this with hardwood, that's new. Having somebody redo the mantle and everything, that's new. But then like just these little enclaves and stuff like that, where we trim these out with floating shelves, and we add in the trim work over here. We add in the metal railing. It kind of adds a modern aspect to a classic old world house. You paint the brick white because the brick was a complete disaster. So to try to make the brick look nice was going to be almost impossible. So instead I just paint it white, and all of a sudden it looks amazing. It's little things like that how you kind of tie an older house together with new modern charm.